I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Word Pile. Your primary goal is to clear every letter tile from the game board. You achieve this by forming words, connecting letters that are next to each other in any direction, up, down, sideways, or diagonally. Creating longer words is key, as they not only give you more points but also help you clear the board much more quickly and efficiently. To form a word, simply tap and drag across adjacent letters. You can move in 8 different directions from any letter. Every letter carries a specific point value, and these values add up to your word's total score. Keep an eye out for special bonus tiles, such as double letter score or triple word score, which can significantly multiply your points for that word, boosting your overall game. Word Pile introduces various special tiles to keep gameplay exciting. Locked tiles, for instance, must be incorporated into a word before they can be cleared from the board. Be wary of bomb tiles. If you do not use them in a word within a specific number of turns, typically 3 or 4, they will explode, ending your game. Clearing the board swiftly helps you earn a higher star rating. To master Word Pile, always seek out opportunities to form longer words. They yield substantially more points and clear more tiles. It is crucial to prioritize using any locked or bomb tiles quickly to prevent game-ending explosions or stalled progress. Try to plan 2 or 3 moves ahead, strategically clearing large sections of the board to maintain momentum and achieve a top score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.